Good evening, my brothers and sisters in Christ. Becky here, coming to you from southeast central Kansas. The Washroom Report. It is just now about 10 minutes after 5 p.m. in my region. Okay, it is September the 11th, 2021, and just in the last hour, my husband and I went for an early dinner out in the country, further out in the boonies than where we live. And just in the last hour, all Hades is breaking out. Okay, this is just coming out being reported. Okay, so I'm going to read you some of the bluebirds' chirps. Tweet. Initial explosions at Erbil International Airport in northern Iraq's Kurdistan. Initial reports of explosions heard in the vicinity of Erbil International Airport and sirens sounding at the United States consulate. Cause currently unknown. Now, it keeps going. A huge crash heard in Erbil. It believes there were at least 6 large explosions. Okay? Possible ongoing rocket drone attack by Iranian-backed forces at the U.S. consulate in Erbil, reported by the locals. Okay? They're saying at least 6 explosions. The Kurdistan counterterrorism team explosive drones have attacked Erbil. At least 2 suicide drones were used in this evening's attack against Erbil International Airport. Air defense was launched, suspected to be an Avenger, but not actually confirmed. No casualties as of yet have been reported. Heavy security in the vicinity of the airport. Okay? So there you have it. The Middle East is burning. Okay? Unprecedented. Keep looking up, brothers and sisters. We're going home. Yes, we are. Love you guys. Maranatha.